Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have a big product here, so I'm barely going to be able to fit this into the view here. Vendor sent me another product. It's a free product and it's a paid review. It is a jumbo 23 by 31 puzzle board rack with built-in drawers and a mat. It looks really cool. You see that picture there? It's got drawers over here, a mat up front here, got drawers on all sides. Let's open this up and see what's inside, shall we? What we have here is we have a stand. Stands up like this. That's very nice, isn't it? And my table's not exactly level. Then it has the drawers that pull out here. I lost this drawer came out of this side here. So there's drawers on every side. I'm gonna let loose this camera here so we can take a look at it. So we got drawers here to put your puzzle pieces. A drawer here and a drawer here. There's drawers everywhere. And a drawer here. And then you have a big puzzle mat up top here. I'm going to flip this camera around here so I can see what. Then you have a nice puzzle mat up top here, where you can just put your puzzle up here. Put a little, almost like a little coffee table with your drawers and things like that. How nice is that? That's very, very classy looking. I am not a puzzle maker per se, but I know that there are puzzle makers out there, and I think they are going to love this. I think you would love this. I have a couple of puzzle makers in my house, or in my family. I think that would really love this. This is really nice. Keeps the puzzles off your table and on something that's small, but big enough to still do the puzzle. Guys, I give this a thumbs up.